this is a completely glueless wig install. So if you're interested in seeing how I did it from start to finish, definitely continue watching. Okay, y'all, so it's going to be another glueless wig install video. This wig comes from LUVME Hair Company. Y'all know LUVME is known for super affordable luxury hair and wigs and all of that good stuff. Yeah, so your girl went back on LoveMeHair.com and got herself a water wave unit. This wig is an HD closure wig. It already came with an adjustable elastic band attached. The knots were actually bleached on this unit, which was a pleasant surprise because that's one less thing that I'd have to do. The hair itself, it is a water wave unit, and I ordered a 22-inch unit. So this is how the hair is looking straight out the box. I already knew that the only things I would have to do to this wig is probably, you know, pluck the hairline a little bit, create like a nice hairline on the wig, part it down a little bit further because it's 5 by 5 and I want those 5 inches. So I went ahead and I put this wig on my mannequin head. Well, before I did so, I did want to show you guys that I like to remove those combs that typically come in some of these wigs where, you know, it's not needed. That comb right there is not going to do me any good, so I like to remove it. And I'm just showing you guys how I take it out. It's very simple and easy to do. I put that bad boy on my mannequin head and I got to customizing it to my liking. I'm just going to show you all how I use my wax sticks to help mold the hair. I like to use my hot comb in addition to the wax stick because, you know, that combo together just makes magic, and it helps me see the hairline a little bit more for if I'm going to plug, how much to plug, and stuff like that. So yeah, I am going to part it down further, and I'm going to show you guys that in a second. Yeah, so I'm going to use the end of my rat tail comb just to make that part a little longer than it was because it did come as a middle part already. So literally it's ready to be worn out the box. All you have to do is cut the lace. But me, I'm like a perfectionist. I want my part as straight as possible, as long as possible, especially because it's a 5 by 5 closure and I want that hairline plucked. Okay, I don't want a bulky or super full hairline. Mind you now, the hairline looks as though it was kind of lightly plucked. So I went in with a very light hand with my tweezers to kind of create a less harsh hairline like so. And here are the results of that. Now let's get into the install. Okay, so I got my hair braided like so. I'll be using the deluxe wig kit that's available on my website to install this wig. It comes with pretty much everything you're going to need, such as a wig cap. I have a spray, my diamond blending brush that helps to blend my tint or cream foundation on the lace. I have the full size lace gel in here. I also got the travel size one up in here too. Scissors, a lace melt band, crocodile hair clips, comb. Everything you need for a glueless closure wig install is found here in this kit. The link will be down in the description so that you guys can check it out. So I'm using the brown cap. I offer 2 different colors, nude and brown. Okay, and this lace is HD. Real HD lace, like legit HD lace. Like look at it, you can't really see that lace. Now I'm going in with my blending brush and some foundation just to help that lace blend in a little bit more. That looks really good. That is it. That's all. That's the wig install. That's why I love closure wigs. They're so easy to just install and go. Because mind you, this unit came with the knots bleached already, elastic band attached to it. All I had to do was customize the hairline and define the curls a bit more, and that was it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, found it super helpful. I'll have the links to all the products, this wig and everything down below in the description, so definitely check it out because there is a coupon code. The wig is already affordable. Use the discount code. All right, y'all, I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.